This is the Shinogi line. With each sharpening, the edge will be raised towards this line, and thus it gets thicker and thicker. A properly sharpened single bevel knife will become like this. After a few months, eventually this line has to be raised for your serious maintenance, and this is how it is done. The stone has already been prepped. Okay. I put the knife flat. See, this is your angle guide. The finger must be in the center without tilting it over. Okay. The direction of movement is this way, but at an angle to the stone, not up and down as for sharpening. So this is what I do. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, part by part. Focus is on the Shinogi line, and as usual, the tip area is where I have to follow the curve. If you have a straightened curved blade here, become straight, you do not know what you are doing. So, okay, the tip I got to raise and come down. Follow the geometry of the knife. Okay, so, okay. And my pressure towards the last few strokes will get lighter and lighter. Notice that the thumb is now on the handle, as I do not want, there's too much pressure here, then you will get a hollow spot here. So this is what I do, and I turn it down and I do it this way. Okay, it's about 45 degrees, right to left. And if you do it evenly, okay, you will expose all the defaults in the grinding. So this, the part that is not grinded, is a hollow spot. Okay, so if okay, one more tip is, I like to use the extreme corners. Even at a slight angle, it's more aggressive. But for this lesson, let's just focus on one tiny spot. I'm always counting 3 or 4 times. I keep on moving. The pressure gets lighter and lighter. Okay. And this is how, if you do it well, you get a nice color. And the Shinogi line should be straight and crisp. You can feel that it's a bit sharper now. Okay, straight line. That's how you remove the blade face. Okay, finger is always on top, not in the center. And for sharpening purposes, your finger is at the very edge. That is sharpening. Okay.